Good morning, traders. Today is Friday, January 13th, 8:19 a.m., 10 minutes before opening bell. I think I've got a target price that I think the markets may be headed to, and that is 390.50. I think that's ultimately where it's possibly going today. That is actually, here's the Fibonacci, 61.8% retracement, and it happens to coincide with the old channel top and the December 13th CPI wick high. They all converge, and I think that's exactly where it's going. Will it get there today? Oh, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. But I think that's exactly where it's going. It's going to retrace 61.8%. Okay? That's where I think it is. Could be wrong, but I think that's a reasonable place where it can find substantial support. Because that is the CPI. 1213 CPI wick high, channel top, former channel top. This is the new channel top that it struggled with yesterday. Okay, so I think that's reasonable to expect that type of pullback. That's not that bad, honestly. Okay, but we'll see. So here are your levels on the left-hand side. If you want 30-minute, 1 hour, and 2 hour levels right here. Okay, it's already past all of this. So. And notice the 2 hour EMA 50 coincides pretty darn closely with that 390.50. See that? So I think it might be finding support somewhere in that range. Okay? So, here are your, on the right hand side, here's your dailies. Daily, weekly. We're not going to be messing around up here, so you might as well just look down here. So, if it breaks the former channel top, yeah, it's going to find substantial support down in here. Basically, if it breaks the channel top, it's going to basically do a near 100% retracement, which is my starting point right here, and that's the 1 day EMA 50, 1 day SMA 20. So just keep that in mind. Now, I think I've got an idea. It occurred to me this morning. You can tell how far it's going to retrace by how aggressively, on the 5 minute chart, how aggressively it tries to reclaim the SMA 20 line right here. Is it aggressive? Does it actually go deep into it and actually kind of start heading towards the EMA? And I'm talking about early in the morning. In the later afternoon, that almost doesn't count. Especially in the last hour. You guys heard me say that in the last hour, it doesn't count. Okay? Because in the last hour, they do that hocus pocus. Oh, maybe let's just squeeze it and just pump it up a little bit. Okay, that doesn't count. I'm talking about, let's just call it from the morning until noon, right? Half the day's over. How aggressively does it try to recapture the SMA 20? If it kind of just touches it and then falls again, oh no, it's got lower to go. Today's probably not the low. But if it actually kind of gets in there and actually starts getting deeper and heads towards the EMA, that's going to be a shallow pullback. And I'm talking about between opening bell and half of the day, noonish. Okay, that's the criteria. I think that's maybe a general rule of thumb. You can gauge the strength of this pullback, and therefore kind of get an idea if this is shallow or deep. Okay, so hope that makes sense. And that's basically all I've got for you guys. I'm going to keep it short and brief. Look for another video this morning. I'm going to show you possible evidence that the markets may have already bottomed. Okay, I'm going to use 2008 and the .com examples for comparison. So be on the lookout for that. And that's basically all I've got for you guys today. I will talk to you again in that other video soon. Talk to you soon.